I'm doing my makeup yet again. Today, I'm gonna do purple and blue. The main reason I'm doing my makeup is because I want to do this TikTok trend.
Kill a bitch, all I need is a pencil and a pad. Let me get the beat so they remember who I am.
And, yeah, that's pretty much the only reason I'm doing my makeup. I'm using the Flower Nose palette, the Little Angel palette. I love her, she's amazing. And I'm gonna use these three colors. I'm gonna do blue on the outer because it's a little bit darker than the purple. And then I'm gonna cover like the outer lid. I just like tap my face in the blue as well. It's not like giving enough. Then I'm gonna go in with a packing brush that has blue on it that I need to get off of the brush. I'm gonna go in with that purple, that lighter purple, and I'm gonna put that all over the inner lid of my eye and also in the inner crease of my eye. Go girl, give us nothing. What is happening? When in doubt, if something's not giving you enough pigment, use your finger. This is what we're working with. And we're gonna do the same on the other eye. Okay, it's not giving as much as I need it to be giving. So I'm gonna go in with this ColourPop Jelly Much eyeshadow in the shade Big Ego. Let me show you her because she's so gorgeous. She's purple. She's purple. That just made me cringe so bad. I about ended it. I about ended it right here. Okay, we're gonna put the glitter in the inner corner of my eyes. This stuff is very, very amazing. I don't know how beauty gurus do it. Like, how do you record and like show what you're doing at the same time? I can't do it. The base of the shadow is done. Natural light. Ew. Maybe I shouldn't have shown you that. That looks worse. Now, for the bottom of our eyeballs, I'm gonna do the same thing I did up top. I'm gonna do purple to blue, and then I'm gonna put glitter on the inner area, but I'm gonna do that later. Eyeliner time, eyeliner time. Let's go. Hopefully we get this first try. If I could do my eyeliner first try, I'd be unstoppable. I would be unstoppable, but I just can't. It's hard. I'm only gonna connect it to like the middle of my eye. Now, I'm just gonna repeat that on the other side. Easy peasy. That doesn't look the same at all. I think that's as good as it's gonna get. Let's do lashes and make everything come together. Watch this crazy transition. Are you ready? Brother. Get off. Got him. Now watch this crazy transition. Wow. The lashes are on. Alright, I'm gonna put on some mascara, and guess what, guys? I got a new Benefit Bad Girl Bang. It's only the mini one because I was not about to spend 30 bucks, but the big one lasted me a long time, so this should last me a long time too. But sometimes you gotta get mascara everywhere. Sometimes you just gotta, you know. You know what, guys? I'm off for the next 3 days, which is crazy because I only have 15 hours. 15 hours this week. Like, dude, you know how much money that is for me? That's like, hold on, y'all. I used to be like a math genius. Hold on now. That's like, that's like, hold on. 15 times 8. 15 times 8 is, 8 times 5 is 40. Oh, carry 4. Shit, bro. 15 times 8, so 15. 15. 15 times 8. 8 times 5 is 40. 4, 0. 8 times 1 is 8. 120. It's 120. 120 times 2 is 240. $240 for a week. If they asked me to like come in on my day off, I'm like, no. And I'm like, do I need the hours? Yes. But you should have just scheduled me. Because now I have plans, because of course, if I know I'm going to be off a day, I'm going to make plans. Because I have a life. I'm young. I'm a young hoe. Like, it irks me, dude. And then they keep wanting to, at work, my motherfucking boss wants to continuously add more tasks to our day. And I'm like, girl, I don't make enough money for this. I really don't. I barely have enough time to finish the other stuff during the day because keep in mind, I'm the only cashier and you're expecting me to do a bunch of other work on top of being the only cashier, which takes up at least 50% of my day. At least 50% of my day is just checking out customers and shit like that and dealing with customers. Dude, I don't get paid enough money. I don't get paid enough money. And they're not giving me enough hours, so I really am not making enough money. But anyway, it doesn't matter because I'm off. I'm off for the next 3 days. And I'm seeing Bruno Mars. But honestly, you guys, I can't go back to fast food. I used to work fast food. I can't do it again. I really can't. One thing about it, you're gonna get plenty of hours. That's for sure. But I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it again. I would rather kill myself than working fast food again. Working retail isn't fun either because customers are just fucking annoying. But they're like, from my experience, customers were way worse fast food wise. And I think it's because they're hungry, bro. They're fucking, people don't play about their food. But I do miss being able to eat free food. Well, I wasn't supposed to be eating it, but I was because you pay me shit money and I can't even get a free meal. Like, you gotta be for real. I don't give a fuck if it's considered stealing. I was drinking drink after drink. I was drinking milkshakes, eating ice cream, bro. Burgers, chicken. I was eating it all. I wasn't paying for a single bit of it, neither. Powder. Contour. Every time I contour my nose, I'm literally like, I feel like it doesn't do anything and my nose looks the same. What are you gonna do though? You know, what are you gonna do? Does it look smaller? No, it doesn't. Blush. That's a little too much, I fear. I fear. Highlighter. Okay, since you can actually see my brows, I'm gonna put on some brow gel. I've also had this forever. I got it as a freebie for my birthday, which was in October. And I love it. But I don't want to buy the full-size one. I'm gonna set my face. Okay. She's feeling kind. Now I gotta pick a lippy out. I think I'm gonna use this from Bath and Body Works. It's Winterberry. It has like a crazy like little purple moment going on. But I feel like it matches very well. Okay, I'm back. I'm wearing, look at my earrings. I'm realizing there's not enough purple in my eyeshadow for them to match, but that's okay. And I'm just wearing, oh my goodness. I'm wearing a halter top. Let me show you the makeup in some better lighting. Oh, wow. It's the final look. All right. Bye.